Now we'll see a problem in source follower. So the same considering the source follower circuit, the following parameters are given. You are asked to find the remaining parameters. Rs is given 5 kilo ohm, which is the source resistance across which you are going to measure the output voltage. RD, the drain resistance is 40k. The amplification factor mu is equal to 40. So determine the voltage gain with feedback, without feedback, RI, RIF, R0, R0 F, R0 F, and R0 F dash. So you're going to find all the parameters with and without feedback. The first one, the voltage gain without feedback. So AV formula, it is mu RS by RD plus RS. Mu is 40, RS is 5K, divided by RD plus RS. So 40K plus 5K is 45K. So the gain is 4.44 without feedback. Find D sensitivity. D is equal to 1 plus beta AV. For source follower, beta value is 1. The 1 plus 8 is 1 plus beta AV will become 1 plus AV. AV value is 4.44. So 1 plus beta AV is 5.44. Now you can find the voltage gain with feedback. AVF equal to AV by D. So AV is 4.44, AVD is 5.44. So you get the answer as 0.816. And this is one point where you can cross check, for common drain amplifier or source follower, the voltage gain will be always less than 1. That is one point where you can cross check your answer. The voltage gain finally after feedback will always be less than 1. The input impedance of it is always infinity. So Ri equal to infinity and Rif equal to infinity. This will be coming by default always. No value of input finite resistance value you will get at the input of your FET, because you have an insulated gate. Any insulator will never conduct, so it is going to have infinite resistance. That is the reason we put Ri equal to infinity. So since Ri is infinity, Rif is also infinity, because Rif equal to Ri into D. And R0F is considering without considering the load. So it is RD by 1 plus beta AV, you get 7.35 kilo ohm. And R0F dash is considering the load. So considering the load, you can find that RD and RS and RD are in parallel connection. So you can find R0 dash. From R0 dash, you can find R0F dash. So you get the answer as 816.2. What all parameters you have to note?